Hello guys, SFRTA here again. This is part 2 of the plane spotting that I did back in April. Really do apologize that it took this long for me to make this video. Let's get right to it. In this shot, we have a Swiftair 737-400 sitting out at the tarmac. What's of significance is usually Swiftair flies out of Miami. They usually don't go into Fort Lauderdale. Actually, I had a friend of mine that flew on them to Cuba. And in this shot, you have a Delta 737-900 Next Gen. It's one of the 737 Maxes that are coming out. This is a 900 that is passing right in front of the 737-400. And I think that's actually a pretty good shot. You got the new 737 and the old 737. And then you have the Swiftair again. Again, a friend of mine flew on these guys to Cuba on a school trip. And as far as I know, he had a good time. I don't know much about them, but well, I guess maybe my friend could probably fill y'all in. And in this shot, we have two United 757s. One's waiting to take off, and one's coming in for landing. And in the background, you have a Dynamic Airways 767-200 that's just sitting there. It's not doing anything. And in the next shot, we have a Delta 757 that's taxiing to the gate, and you have three Uniteds in the background just sitting at their gates, Southwest and Allegiant Air. And as you recall, the gate closest to the parking lot is the same gate that the United 767-400 came in from New York, at Newark, as you guys may recall that we caught before. In this shot, we have a United 757-200 taking off into the wild blue yonder. In the next clip, we have Azul sitting next to two JetBlue airplanes on the tarmac as well, as you can see here. And we have the Inter-Caribbean Embraer 120 in the next clip taking off as well. This is going to be the last plane spotting video for quite some time. I am going to Folkestone very soon. Also going to be going to Ocala as well. This is the last plane spotting video for a while, and I think the one other video I have to upload is a rail fanning video, and that's going to be it until Folkestone. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is SFRTA out for now. Hope you enjoy. Ooh, a tri-rail just passed right behind it.
size of something.
There's a big plane flying over us right now. I don't know who he is.
An A330.
It's an A330, but I don't know what airline.
We already saw TAP. So
Is that Argentina's?
No, airlines would come from the north.
They come from the south.
That might be American, Air Berlin, Lufthansa. That Delta 752 push back again.
Oh, it's Air Italia.
Oh, it's all Italia?
It's all Italia.
It's probably one of the brand new liveries then.
Yeah, it's all Italia. That's nice. I call all Italia.
What is that? Oh no! It's another hashtag! Oh, that guy landed in Alaska. Oh no, he took off in Alaska. He took off yesterday. Central time, 1:25. I hope we get it. Oh, that's sick. Well, yeah, it's a good day, yeah. Saturday's a good day. Yeah, in the morning there were, this morning there was is that it?
Okay. Good afternoon, Connor. Jumping 40 to PM 10 right. Good to go. 224 Lauderdale Tower, flight is 095, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff. 095, clear for takeoff, 10 right, jumping.
And your favorite plane?
Oh, look at there he is, way out there, Ricky. Ricky, that's the way out there. That's him making the turn. Way out there. That's him making the turn in.
It's an A321.
It's doing route.
Thought it almost looked like a 767. Almost.
No, but it's not. We're gonna catch one later though.
But there is a 767 coming in, and I am filming that. Hello guys, SFRTA here. With me is...
Amtrak, Florida.
KFLL Spotter Network.
Yes, you heard me right. FLL Spotter Network is here. Met up with them for the first time. We have the Air Canada 767-300 coming in to land at Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International, also known as KFLL. I just hit 500.
Wow.
No, I have 570 something now. 73. 573.
Oh yeah, this is huge.
Air Switzerland A330-300.
We're getting ready to tow this wheel over.
They are?
It's gonna leave too late though.
What's the
Alright, well that was a pretty awesome video. This is going to be the last plane spotting video for quite a while. am going to Folkestone very soon, so unfortunately there will be no more plane spotting videos. Have, I think, one more rail fanning video to put up, and that's it. On to Folkestone. Hope you enjoyed the video. SFRTA, out.